Hello, friends. It's great to see you here, where we explore the most mysterious and fascinating myths and legends from all over the world. Today, we'll dive into one of the most enigmatic topics that captivates the imagination of millions of people: aliens. What do they look like? Are there any real encounters with them? Do they leave any signs on our planet? And how do we attempt to establish contact with them? We'll cover all of this in today's video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and tap the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Now let's get started. The idea that there are civilizations beyond Earth has existed since ancient times, with philosophers like Democritus arguing that the universe contains countless worlds. However, it wasn't until the 20th century, with the development of astronomy, space exploration, and telescopes, that this idea gained widespread popularity among scientists. Aliens could be beings from other planets, stars, or even galaxies. We don't know what they could look like. They could be similar to us, or they could have a completely different form of life. They may be silicon-based organisms rather than carbon-based, or even intelligent forms of energy capable of self-awareness. The description of aliens that is most often seen in books and films is tall, thin beings with large heads, black eyes without pupils, and pale, almost transparent skin. This image became popular thanks to movies and books like Invasion and Independence Day. Not all aliens are likely to look the same. Scientists and science fiction writers speculate that their appearance could depend on the conditions of the planet they come from. For instance, on planets with low oxygen levels, aliens may have larger lungs or be more resilient. Some theories suggest that aliens may look like us, but with certain physical differences. For example, they may have more fingers or possess certain supernatural abilities that we cannot imagine. Other theories propose that they may resemble intelligent plants or creatures completely different from our biology. One of the most famous cases occurred in July 1947 when an unknown object was found in Roswell, New Mexico. Initially, the military claimed it was a flying disc, but then quickly changed their story to say it was a weather balloon. However, many people believe it was a crash landing of an alien spacecraft and even claimed to have seen the bodies of aliens, which were allegedly taken by the military. Betty and Barney Hill became the first people to publicly claim to have been abducted by aliens. In September 1961, while traveling through the woods in New Hampshire, they saw a bright light in the sky that rapidly approached their car. Later, they reported being taken aboard a spaceship where they underwent medical experiments. Their memories were partially recovered through hypnosis, and the case became one of the most discussed alien abduction stories. On March 13, 1997, a series of strange lights appeared in the sky over Phoenix, Arizona. Thousands of people witnessed several large light objects moving in various directions. This incident became one of the largest mass UFO sightings in history, and to this day, no conventional explanation has been provided. In Chile, a series of UFO sightings occurred over several months in 2014. Numerous people witnessed strange objects in the sky, and there were reports of radio interference and unusual magnetic fields. The Chilean government even initiated an official investigation into the phenomenon. SETI is an international scientific program aimed at searching for extraterrestrial civilizations by analyzing radio signals and other types of emissions that might be sent by intelligent life from other planets. Since the early 20th century, scientists have been monitoring space, hoping to detect the first signals. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, which contained golden discs with recordings of sounds, music, and images representing humanity. This disc was essentially a message from Earth for any other civilizations that might find it. In 1974, the Arecibo radio telescope sent one of the first space messages, the so-called Arecibo message. It was a series of binary codes designed to be understood by any advanced civilization that might intercept it. One of the most obvious signs that aliens may be visiting Earth is UFOs, unidentified flying objects. Reports of such phenomena have been continuous throughout history, and modern science still cannot fully explain all the sightings. Another mysterious phenomenon often linked to alien activity is the appearance of crop circles, patterns in agricultural fields that mysteriously appear overnight. While many of them can be explained as human-made, there are still some cases that are difficult to explain. Scientists have yet to give a definitive answer to their origin. In areas where UFOs have been sighted, there are often reports of abnormal changes in electronic devices or even disturbances in Earth's magnetic fields. Both locals and scientific studies have confirmed these anomalies. And so, we've reached the end of our exploration into the mystery of aliens. Do you believe in the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations? Perhaps we've already made contact with them, and this is just part of a much bigger picture. Share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. Until next time.